stay busy with stitching. I let my sister wear it. And it's good if we can help each other. छोटे छोटे बच्चों के कपड़े भी बनाती. Doing creative things, it's something relaxing. Even I had a thought of cutting a sari, and so I did. You can trust me once, and then that's up to you. Hey guys, you're watching me on Creators for Change. Hi, I'm Ambika. I run a small business locally based on designing and making dresses, and I work from home. I think as we all know, our mothers and grandmas, they always used to like stay busy with stitching and knitting, and I think this is something we've seen from childhood. So this is one thing which I saw my mother doing it all the time, and as this one thing that I'm really into creative things, so हमेशा से मैंने मम्मा को देखा है, तो इसी तरीके से मैंने छुपते छुपाते कभी कभार डरते मैंने अपनी मम्मा की कुछ कुछ चीज़ों को यूज़ करके कुछ ना कुछ बनाने का कोशिश किया, and that's how everything started. I remember when I learned few things, how to make a dress or a simple suit, so I started making it for myself, my sister, for me, some of my friends, and a good thing that like आपके दोस्त आपको काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेल्प करते हैं, because आपके दोस्त के लिए अगर आप कुछ बनाते हो तो आपके कुछ और एक्स्ट्रा दोस्त भी उनको देखते हैं, like mutually it works a lot for a business. But साथ में ही I think पढ़ाई कंप्लीट करने के बाद भी if you do things like stitching, तो आज के जनरेशन के लोग they think कि it's not appropriate or like it's a loss doing this kind of a business. So इसके साथ साथ कुछ लोगों ने appreciate किया, and few even thought that it's just tailoring, not designing or stuff, or not cool business, like not a profit thing. So that's how it all started. Lots of criticism and parents not believing in what we are doing right now, because it's tough to make them believe that I might get a really nice business out of it. So like luckily it turned out to be good, so maybe hoping for the best. I think it's very much helpful, because when I started making these kind of dresses, what I used to do is like I used to wear those. I let my sister wear it, and not really helpful, but then I think phone is a good thing. We clicked pictures from a phone because we can't really always hire a photographer or so. So phone se pictures click karna, and obviously uploading in WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, really a good help. But then then there are some hate comments as well. There are some awkward things happening. So good that there are many people who actually are like fond of this kind of stuff. So helpful, mostly helpful. It's kind of Nowadays it's all about Bollywood theme is going on. Like people see and they just want to get it. But online we get a lot of dresses in a very reasonable range, which is, I understand, a profitable thing, but then being in a business, I know that it lack few things, like the quality, the designs, which are not exactly appropriate. Okay. So people don't really understand that, but then we kind of adjust few things being in a small town. Okay. That's so true. Like I have done, and I think you have also done. Many people do this thing, like shopping online is like we have to adjust few things. It's never up to the mark. So people think that the range or the price is like my price must be higher, but they don't understand. Many of them they do after taking orders from me or so, but then ज़्यादातर ऐसा होता है कि they are like price ज़्यादा high है, online अच्छा मिल जाता है. If anyone is my customer, then I know this much and they're happy with me, because getting a better dress more than the online thing, and that too in a very reasonable price, I'm good at it. So at least you can trust me once, and then that's up to you. स्मॉल टाउन है, पर हमारे यहाँ पे भी एक दो शॉप्स है जहाँ से मटेरियल्स मिल जाते हैं, बट नॉट दैट इन सच हाई क्वालिटी. लाइक यू विल गेट प्लेन मटेरियल्स, ज़्यादातर प्लेन मटेरियल्स मिलते हैं. एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड या फिर दूसरे तरीके के मटेरियल्स नहीं मिल पाते, तो उसके लिए मुझे वीकली मेरे को गुवाहाटी जाना पड़ता है या फिर बोंगाईगांव जाना पड़ता है, वहाँ से मुझे मटेरियल्स लाना पड़ता है. एंड कुछ ट्रिक्स यूज़ करके मैं आई ट्राई टू सेव मनी, बिकॉज छोटा बिजनेस है तो वी हैव टू डू दैट, क्योंकि उतना ईजिली प्रॉफिट नहीं मिल सकता हर चीज़ से। तो मैं काफ़ी मटेरियल जो यूज़ करने के बाद थोड़े टुकड़े बच जाते हैं, लाइक आई ट्राई टू री यूज़ इट, और देयर आर सम जैसे कि एम्बेलिशमेंट्स है या फिर एम्ब्रॉयडरी है या फिर कोई भी एक फ्लावर डिज़ाइन भी है, तो मैं उसे कट करके रीयूज़ करती हूँ दूसरे ड्रेसेस में कलर मैच करके। तो इस तरीके से मैं ड्रेसेस को और ज़्यादा बेटर दिखाने में या फिर दिखने में हेल्प करती हूँ। और साथ में अगर थोड़े ज़्यादा पीसेस बच जाते हैं तो मैं उनसे छोटे छोटे बच्चों के कपड़े भी बनाती हूँ, लाइक 1 साल से लेकर 5 साल के बीच में, और पीसेस यूज़ कर करके उनको जॉइन कर करके डिफरेंट डिज़ाइंस बना के उस तरीके से मैं कपड़े यूज़ करती हूँ। तो एज वी ऑल नो, हम लोग जिस फेज से गुजर रहे हैं, तो पीपल वी हैव टू स्टे एट होम, स्टे टुगेदर, हेल्प ईच अदर, टॉक टू ईच अदर। तो और साथ में ही आई थिंक एज आई स्टार्टेड understanding what I really want to do, and that's how I think people have to understand themselves, that what they want, and doing creative things, it's something relaxing, like not only stitching, anything like painting or gardening or cooking, whatever, like it's good to put things up. People do nowadays click pictures and try to motivate each other, inspire each other, so that's good. And I think lockdown की वजह से बहुत लोगों को trouble भी हुआ है, बहुत लोग I think there are a lot of people who are like depressed, but कुछ चीज़ें ऐसे अगर आप अच्छे रह सकते हो, हैप्पी रह सकते हो, खुद को बिजी रख सकते हो, तो that's a good thing. And I think creative चीज़ें, it's a great help for people who want to stay busy. तो हाँ, मैंने अपने बिजनेस में भी काफ़ी ऐसी चीज़ें की हैं. I remember 1-2 महीने में I was totally depressed, and then I took out all the waste clothes which I had. टुकड़े जितने थे कपड़े के मैं सारे निकाले, and I started even I had a thought of cutting a sari, and so I did. That's true. I did cut a sari. I made a sharara out of it, and luckily I think that was the most prettiest dress according to people, whoever they saw. And yeah, that's a good thing. Like I learned a lot from, I think, myself. So I've seen a lot of people on social media doing these kind of stuff, and it's really inspiring me as well. I think a lot of people out there. So yeah, let's stay together and let's keep doing creative things beside our businesses and all the jobs we have in our life. So yeah. So this outfit, yeah, that's true, I made it. Okay, and the design over there, it is from another gown which I made. So I just cut the smaller pieces in like a flower designs, and I attached it here. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, it's a good thing. I think collaborating with you is good if we can help each other. And yeah, I needed someone to be with me and do few stuffs, which I think you're doing a great job doing that for me, and with like for different other person working from home as well. So yeah, I'm happy to be doing this, collabing with you. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys, and I hope I did not bore you much. So this was me talking about my own experiences regarding my small business, and I hope you all are doing fine, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Stay happy, stay creative.